Alright, I don't know how well the audio is gonna be, but I'm gonna try and comment or commentate on what I'm taking photos of. And first things first, I noticed this beautiful building here with the tree and the sign. Pretty cool contrasting colors, so I'm just gonna set my focus to infinity on the building, and here we go. Our first shot of the day. 35 more to go. Let's keep walking here. I actually like the way the mosque is at the end of the street, so I'm gonna take a photo standing right here in the middle of the road with the motorcycle in 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's keep walking and try to find some nice compositions. I hope. Alright, so let's cross to the other side. And there's this building right here that looks pretty cool. I'm gonna use the branches as some foreground. Focus on infinity. And 1, 2. There we go. I don't want to cut too much from the video. I want you guys to experience the road and the environment, because it is pretty cool. This is one of my favorite streets in the city. If you ever plan to visit, this place is on my recommended list. Swiss butter, really good food, worth the money, worth the visit. And this looks really nice. And crossing the street, got him. Sorry. Thank you. It's gonna wind my next shot. I like the flowers over there, but let's just keep looking around. People think I'm crazy, I'm just talking to myself at this point. Cool guy. Oh god. Yeah, no.
That's it.
A Vespa. Vespa right there. It's also a nice shot. Alright, let's take a photo of the Vespa. And 1, 2. Some nice palm trees. I actually like this composition. I know there's a car in the way, but the 3 windows with the flowers looks pretty cool. Nice. Alright, let me just cross to these flowers right here because they look pretty cool. I'm not a foreigner. Thank you for stopping though. Alright, just gonna change the focus to 1.5 meters because that is how far I think it is. And there you go. Allah yafikum. Alright. Yeah, people looking at me like I'm sort of freak, which is expected and normal. Hey dog. Oh, another Vespa. But there's garbage on the other side. I'm just gonna cross here. Take this photo. Alright, so the VW with the two Vespas and the pizza guys. And 1, 2. Back. I want to take another photo here, but I'm just gonna wait for someone to walk by. Actually, here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right.
يلا وتحت اوكي احكيلي حد طبيعي
Photo on 1, 2, 3. There we go. Alright, I think we are rolling at this point. Some pretty cool shots. Yeah, we're just gonna keep walking that way. And another Vespa. Alright, looking up. There's these vines that are covering the building. I'm just gonna get in between, try to get both in the same shot. Now, apparently there is a festival happening at the next street down this way. So I'm gonna try and go there and see what I can get. Wait for these two lovely women to, you know, just be in my frame. Not too happy about the shot, but I do like these steps there, so 1, 2, 3. There we go. And I do like this building right here. Pretty sure this was one of the buildings that was destroyed during the explosion in 2020, but now it's renovated and it looks super cool. I don't know if you can see the two chairs with the table right there. That is That is super nice. Should I? Alright, I'm wondering if I should go vertical. I'll just go vertical on this one. There we go. Heyo! Alright, so the church entrance, and 1 and 2. No subjects passing by, but that's fine. Still looks pretty cool. Oh wow, look at, alright, wait, look at this. I don't know if you can see. Alright, we're just gonna get on the stairs here to get a vantage point, and look at that. Such a cool building. Gonna try and get the guy in the middle. There we go. Alright, what is this festival that everyone is talking about? Let us check this out. Copyright music. Hey. إلا ما سمعت.
بقول لك لا تنزعج.
لا والله مش ضروري يعني تعذب حالك، والله بتعذب حالك.
شو عم تصور كده؟
كلك ذوق.
هيك ولا عندك صفحة
عندي صفحة ايه وعايش برا، فعم بستفيد من وقتي قبل ما فل.
صفحة شو عندك؟
تصوير.
تصوير ولا تسويق؟
لا تصوير. شكرا، كلك ذوق، والله كلك ذوق. Okay, I took a quick break, got some lemonade, and now we're back. Copyright music. Just gonna take a photo of that building there. Actually like this building here. I like the wires with the stairs, but alright. Let's head up the stairs. Trying to get that person standing on the light without looking like creeps. Got that. All right, so we're walking back towards the car. We have like 10 more shots, so let's make the most of that. Just gonna wait for this person to walk by. Car. So much construction. Cat. Hey. The blue house.
Però comunque è bello.
على خواطر. I think that's pretty much it. We have one. All right, well, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.